2, 2 and 4, 2, 4, 3. Now all of them in green. 2, 1, 2 yellow. They're still all going in green. 4, 1, 2 yellow.
It's definitely 2.
Yeah. 1 is going into yellow and 3 is also. Now they're all in yellow.
But the 2 go to red.
Yeah. When you get out of here, go like a high speed. And that would be the last step. Yep. 2, they're all in red. Yep, 2's in red. They're still all kind of in red. But no, mostly 2 and 4.